Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I'm back with another tech tip video. This time around we answer a question many of our clients in the government contracting and manufacturing community are asking us. What is CMMC and should I be concerned? CMMC, which stands for Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification, was announced on September 4th, 2019 as a certification and compliance process. The Department of Defense developed it to certify that all contractors have the right controls in place to protect federal contract information and controlled unclassified information. CMMC helps clarify the level of security necessary for various engagements with multiple maturity levels ranging from basic to advanced. Is CMMC important? The Department of Defense, DoD, estimates that the total value of data lost to our adversaries is a staggering $60 billion per year. Contractors doing business with the DoD, NASA, GSA, and any other state or federal agencies are at a major risk, especially as cybercrime continues to evolve. Our adversaries are well aware that contractors have access to a ton of sensitive, confidential data. There are 5 levels of security requirements with CMMC. 1. The first level requires basic cyber hygiene practices, including antivirus software, strong passwords, and overall fairly standard measures. 2. The second level is designed to protect controlled, unclassified information, and as such, requires more complex measures. 3. The third level is based on an extension of the NIST 800-171-R2 standards. There are 47 security controls that must be in place to comply with this level. 4. The fourth level requires contractors to be proactive when it comes to measuring, detecting, and defending against threats. Some requirements are similar to DFARS while requiring contractors to be prepared to handle advanced persistent threats. 5. The fifth and final level includes 30 extra security controls above and beyond level 4 that must be put in place. They revolve around auditing and management processes as opposed to technical requirements. The Department of Defense is clearly serious about cybersecurity, and for good reason. We must take the right precautions to protect our data against adversaries. Take the first step and reach out to our team and learn more on how we can help you navigate CMMC and make sure you have the right systems and controls in place.